morning. Good afternoon, I mean. My name is Jeffrey Thomas. You can call me JT for short. Today I'm going to share my science project with you. Do you think if I put this cloth and stuff it in this dry cup and submerge it into the bucket that's halfway filled, the pan that's halfway filled, do you think it's going to stay dry or is it going to get wet? Comment down below. Here we go. 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you commented it would stay dry, you are correct. If you commented it would stay wet, it would get wet, you are wrong. Sorry for the bad luck. If you enjoyed today's science project with me and you like science, comment down below what you think I should do next for my other science project. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until tomorrow, and have a great day.